Perhaps a rare and random cheetah attack on lion cubs was imprinted in the collective memories of the adult lions that relentlessly pursued the group of spotted cats that otherwise posed no threat to them. An unfortunate female cheetah in heat found herself in the wrong place at the wrong time. Three male cheetahs following her were blinded by lust and an instinctive drive to mate. But in the battle to win the female's favor, one of them sustained a fateful injury. Having killed the female, the lions ruthlessly pursued any rival that might be a threat to their young. The second lion had already delivered a warning charge. The next would be fatal.
I didn't believe it when I saw it through the viewfinder. The two lions are tearing that poor fellow apart.
No, it's incredible. It's just incredible.
It was a rare, possibly never before seen inter-cat conflict. A ferocious feline fight to the death, captured on two different cameras.
He's grabbed him, he's holding him in such a position that now he needs to get the back of the neck. And once he does that, then he can snap its spine. But then the way that other guy came up, held on to the other end, that's like a gang attack on another lion.
The unfortunate brother was dispatched with ruthless efficiency. And the killers hadn't finished yet. Incredibly, it took yet another charge to convince the two survivors to retreat out of range. One of the lions then returned to the victim's carcass.